Hey everybody, this is Bran'sTech, and I am doing a video on how far can customization actually go in Android. And let's go ahead and begin. So, to start with, Android is the open source operating system made from the Open Handset Alliance and Google, as well as the former Android Inc., to make a universal platform. And they have definitely succeeded. However, how far can the customization in this device actually go? So, first of all, is the normal customization that we have in almost every smartphone to date, at least today, where you can change up the wallpapers of the device to make it however you would like. And Android back in some of the early versions allowed you to make moving wallpapers such as this one. Some interactive, some not. The other one was, and this one is not as interactive. And then you also can have as many different types of launchers as you would like. This one is the standard TouchWiz. However, I go back and forth between TouchWiz, Home, and the Arrow launcher. And I also go in between different voice assistants such as Google Now and Cortana. Okay, Google, open Play Store. Okay, Google, open Cortana. And both of them do a very well job at it. And without customization, it would just be regular apps trying both to be the number one, when in reality, it would only be one or none. And this part of customization comes from just the core of Android itself. And even Samsung cannot block me from what I would like to do, as I'm not restricted to Samsung apps such as Voice, and even here I can choose between which apps I would like, such as for contacts. Calling, I use the Contacts app, which is used in Samsung products. And I actually changed this to Skype or Hangouts a while back. However, I forgot to put it back on. And for the browser app, I use Chrome Beta instead of Chrome. And I could even uninstall Chrome if I would like. However, I keep it on in order to help out, and also for the channel. And for the messaging app, I use Message Plus. The Samsung Messenger and Hangouts are both there. And I use Messages for when I am in ultra power saving mode, which is the reason I have not uninstalled it yet. And I do use Hangouts on my PC and as well on here. And like I said, I do use the TouchWiz home launcher. And when I get enough memory, I will reinstall Arrow. And for device assistant, like I said, right now I use Google Now. However, I will occasionally change it to Cortana. And the purpose for me using Google Now right now is because I can use Now on tap. That's just pressing the home button. Almost no matter what app I'm in, I can always rely on Google Now. To give me the information. And also, going even deeper into what you can customize. You can also customize the icons on the device, no matter what launcher you're in. And I usually don't do this. But if I were to say, okay Google, okay Google, okay Google, icon packs. And as you can see, ones like this one, which is the Bell UI icon pack, it lets you change up the different icons to the way you would like it. Although personally for me, I really like the ones that Samsung has provided, but it is totally up to you. What is your preference? In fact, I'm never going to root my device, although I would like to use one. You could always root your device for more features. To me, that seems more of I'm cheating over the Android versus iOS detail. As technically, you could jailbreak an iPhone and have about the same features as a normal Android device, possibly even a little more. So that is why I do not do that. And in Android, you can even make it where, and my device is incompatible, but where you can even have an always on display, always showing, or in some devices just when it's charging. My device unfortunately is not capable. And even for virtual reality, which my device also is not capable for, you can plug it into a virtual reality set and watch all the movies and stuff you'd like. And you can change around which do you like and which do you not. In fact, you can even get rid of pre-installed apps, as many call them, bloatware, on your device. Just simply by pressing edit, and I'm pretty sure you could also hold it down and going to it, and you could either turn it off in some cases or actually delete, in which case there's no need for me to get rid of the calculator, but it will say it will disable and it will uninstall every update brought to it, which is kind of cool. It may not be deleting entirely, but at least it does more than just hide it. And I'm going to go ahead and cancel because I like using the calculator. I'm going to put that back. In fact, I do not have another calculator app, camera app. However, if I got another one, it would also allow me to do the same thing. As you see, that function is not available at the moment. But if I were to download Google Camera, it would allow me to do the same thing. Okay, Google Camera. And I believe they actually have removed it from the Play Store, but you can get almost all of them just ready for you. And also, going back to where I just was, if you notice right here, there's a link from APK Mirror, where I can actually download APK files for apps without having to go to the Play Store. Something that is very different from the way it works in iOS. It is not necessarily unique to Android, but more of to Linux in general, with their own file distributions. Of course, Android uses APK. And also you get to change up and even download other app stores. For example, I have the Amazon App Store, what used to be up there, which is actually the Amazon Underground as well. As you can see, even though Google originally removed this from the Play Store, it is still here. Google still allows it. The reason they removed it is because Amazon made Fire OS for the Kindle Fires without Google services, so they are kind of getting back at them. But the apps are still here, and it is still nice and everything. And one last thing is that on Android, you have the ability to make the device computer-like because it is from Linux. And actually, I will put a link in the description and possibly at the end of this video to link back to when I replaced my laptop for a while with my tablet running Android, the LG G-Pad. And I will actually get back to you on that whenever that's finished. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe. And maybe next time I'll have a shorter video. Say about the inconvenience, and have a great day.